Hi, this is Shao.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Right?
So what is today's phrase?
The phrase is this.
It is. Well, actually, it's kind of like two phrases. So you can imagine this as like a conversation. So the first person would say, I won a contest. And then the second person would say, that's amazing. So what is that in Japanese?
コンテストで優勝しました。すごい。それはすごい。
Yeah, that's it. So you would say this if, like it doesn't just have to be a contest. If something amazing happened to someone else, or yeah, something like that. That's just how you can respond to that.
Yep.
Yep.
So there are lots of ways to reply actually.
Yeah, definitely.
I won a contest and that's amazing, or that's great, or
Yeah, that's great is common too.
I use often marvelous.
Yeah, that's your word,
Yes.
marvelous.
And fabulous.
Fabulous.
Fantastic.
Fantastic, yeah.
Right? Lots of words. In Japan.
Fantastic is common.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Japan is not much choice. I feel like it.
No?
Maybe すごい.
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 すごい. Yay. Okay.
You said yay too.
Yay. Yeah, actually, if I heard this and I was talking to a friend, I would probably say yay.
Yay.
Yay, that's amazing. Yay. Yeah, that's very common.
It's very simple.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Can use anytime. Yay.
Yay is good because like you can use it in a lot of different contexts.
Yes.
So you can respond to most things with yay.
Yeah.
Like, oh, let's go. Yay, we're going. It sounds kind of funny though, depending on what kind of person you are. For me, it's very natural though, I think.
Yeah.
Hmm.
In Japan too. Like hi, yeah? All the time hi.
Yeah.
Hi. I cannot use all the time.
Hmm.
Whatever. So have you won any contest?
I've won some contests before. I've won a few art contests before,
Yeah.
but that's it.
I saw that you got one ribbon.
Yeah,
Japanese
Ribbon magazine.
Manga ribbon.
I didn't get that high of a award though. I got like a runner-up award, like kind of honorable mention. But I was still happy. Yeah, I was happy
it's
still.
A prize.
Yeah.
It's not for first prize, second
No.
prize. That's great, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
So you're trying to submit more work, right?
Yeah.
To ribbon.
Yeah, I like to draw manga, so I try to submit some of my manga to them because they like to give a critique, so that's very useful for me.
Yeah. So maybe in the future you can see how works her manga in a ribbon.
I hope so.
Yes.
That'd be nice.
Yes. I used to painting too.
Yeah, yeah.
When in a primary school,
Hmm.
I got a ginsho, kinsho, that means gold prize and silver prize.
Ooh,
It's stuff used to do.
nice job.
Yes. But, so I forgot everything now, but I used
Yeah. You used to like to draw a lot though.
to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here say also say sometimes gold prize, silver prize.
If I think of that, it reminds me just of like the Olympics, like the gold medal, silver medal,
Right.
bronze medal.
Yes.
Otherwise, like you would just say like first place, second place,
Yeah.
third place. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here just say first, second, third
Yeah,
prize.
yeah.
Never say gold prize.
I guess sometimes you can, but like I said, it mostly makes me think of the Olympics. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good, huh? It's a more feel like awarded
Yeah, right?
gold.
It feels
first,
special.
second, third. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you are trying to some contest now?
I try to like look out for art contests and stuff, but nothing in particular right now.
Okay.
How about you?
I'm not trying to so far, but I used to do the band. I used to play in the band.
Hmm.
I was a vocalist that time.
Yeah, yeah.
And one time NHK Young Battle. I saw Young Battle and kind
Young
of
Battle?
Yes, Young Battle.
I love that.
Kind of a band competition. We got a performance show.
Mhm.
We had like a very kids kind of a punky band.
Hmm.
So whatever, we didn't play much. We just jumping also, like 3 minutes jumping around all over.
Oh, I wish I could see.
Yeah.
I want to see the video.
Yeah, actually, I lost that video.
Maybe you can
Yeah.
find it somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
There's like an archive or something. maybe.
Yeah? Oh,
I don't know. Most TV stations have like archives of all their old shows, so
okay.
maybe we could find it sometime.
Maybe. Yeah, I should find it.
Like at a library or something? Would they have that there?
Get it?
I don't know.
But now it's maybe somewhere. Maybe I can find. Maybe I can.
A lot of times you can find that kind of stuff on YouTube, but since it's old, it might be hard. Yeah.
And of course, not warm, but kind of warm, but I won a green card in the United States.
That counts as winning.
Right?
It's like a lottery.
Green card. Yeah, lottery.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's harder than the lottery.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually very hard to get. Almost
Yeah.
like a lottery.
Yeah. I think, yeah, there's a very, very small percentage of people who can get a green card.
Yeah.
So you got very lucky, actually.
Yes. Actually, many of my friends, and they are trying to the lottery. Like each year, one time for a year, you can apply. Some of them
Yeah.
10 years then.
And
So
they
each
can't.
year,
Yeah.
they never get. But I went to Australia before that. So I thought just in case I just applied.
Yeah.
And the first time, and I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. But
That is really nice.
I wanted to be Sydney, Australia at the time. I thought I'm gonna live there, but I got the green card. So maybe I thought.
So that changed your plan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some power, saying, okay, you should go to the United States.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That's cool.
So I came here. It's a good prize, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of my best prizes.
Yeah, that's like, you used up all your luck for that green card.
Yes.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yes. So your big prize was ribbon.
Yeah, for me recently, but I hope in the future I can win maybe first place someday.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should.
Mhm.
Yes.
I'll try.
From now, you're gonna apply lots of magazine and
Yeah.
manga company.
Yeah, I would like to. Not every magazine has contests. A lot of them do, but a lot of them you can just go there and like show them your work too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully,
Yeah.
you're gonna get.
You're always so like struggling so much. You're like
Yes.
struggling to do.
Hope sign.
Yeah.
Wishing sign.
Yeah.
What's called exactly the name?
Like fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that you get it.
Yes.
But sometimes it can have a double meaning. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That can mean like, oh, I hope you get it, but if you like do it behind your back, then that actually means like you're lying about something. Did you know
really?
that? Yeah.
Oh.
Like if you say, oh, I won't do what you say, and then like, I won't like go to wherever, and you have your fingers crossed, that means you are gonna do it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
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 So when I say something,
But that's like more of something
lie,
that kids do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something. When I say something lie or like opposite of my opinion.
Yeah, then you cross
Yeah,
your
do
fingers.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. You're gonna get a lot of award. in the future.
Yay! I'll do my best.
Yeah. Alright, so let's review.
Okay, so I'll say it slowly first, and we'll get faster each time we repeat it. I won a contest. That's amazing. Okay, a little bit faster. I won a contest. That's amazing. Okay, and one more time at normal speed. I won a contest. That's amazing. That's it. Pretty simple.
It's amazing.
Yay!
Yes.
Yay! See, again, I'm saying yay.
Yeah.
It's a good word to know. Yeah. Yeah. Yay! Yeah. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave us a like, and if you have any suggestions for one of our next videos, feel free to leave in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel as well.
Okay. いかがでしたでしょうか。それではまたお会いしましょう。
Thank you. See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.